Patreon.com/ShadesandTrades if you want to join the private Discord for trade alerts. Cool, thanks, man. I made over 50%. I'm really excited. Advice on when to buy and sell makes the difference of thousands of dollars. So again, Patreon.com/ShadesandTrades for trade alerts. Ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about bread and butter. So I asked in the Discord, I posted a poll asking, hey, do you have a 100% win rate like Trucker Jeff has on APLD and Riot stock? Anyone else have a 100% win rate? 100% win rate means you buy those stocks and you always win and never lose, meaning your account only grows. And there were people who voted and said, yes, I haven't lost on APLD. I haven't lost on Riot stock. That is what I call bread and butter stocks. Bread and butter stocks, you should have bread and butter stocks, meaning you have a watch list of very particular stocks that you're like, I know this stock, I love this stock. It's 100% win rate. I don't lose on it. Every time I buy, I know I'm going to make money. I know it so well that I'm confident, maybe even too confident, because I know it that well, that every time I buy it, I'm like, I'm not even concerned. If it goes down, whatever, I don't care, because I have a 100% win rate on this. I know it's going to come back up and I'm going to make my money, right? I know that if I buy the top, it always comes back up for me. No matter how many times I buy the top. This assumes you're like the worst trader in the world who's always buying tops. But when you think about it, if it always comes back up for you, what's the problem? You're always going to make money. To the point where you've doubled your money and you can lose quite a bit of it and you're still fine, right? You can give back some and you'll be fine. So you got to have bread and butter stocks. You have to have stocks that when you look at them, you know, this is going to make me money when it comes down nice and cheap. I can buy it high and it'll go higher. And if I hold a bang on that, I will be fine. My bread and butter is Riot, SoundHound, right? My bread and butter used to be BBAI, but once that started tanking and behaving like garbage, I switched on over to other stocks. Because sometimes your bread and butter might become just melted garbage. So have your bread and butter stocks. If you don't have bread and butter stocks, if you don't have stocks that you can just point at and be like, yes, that's my bread and butter. I know every time I buy that, I'll be fine. I'll be okay. If you don't even have that confidence, then you guys got to find it, right? You got to find that bread and butter. Because once you have your bread and butter stocks, you don't need anything else, right? Trucker Jeff has a 100% win rate on APLD and on Riot stock. So what does he need anything else for? He learned the hard way. Maybe I should just stick to these two since I always win and never lose and my account only grows. He went off and bought some shit stock and he lost like 30%, I believe, if I recall correctly. So he learned like, hey, I got my bread and butter now. Maybe I should just focus on that. That doesn't mean you can't expand and go out there and experiment and try to find other good companies to trade, but it is very important to have a bread and butter basket. If you don't got one, you better start now, because the more you know a stock like the back of your hand, the easier it is. You know it so well. You know the PRs, how it likes to move around earnings. You know every little thing about it. You know what signals work, what don't. You know how it likes to behave when Trump tweets. Maybe it behaves by going up. Maybe it behaves by going down, right? It can differ. And the cat is here. The cat wants to say something, I guess. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day. Take care, guys. Take my chance. Risk is managed. I let it dance. If it breaks the law.